Welcome back. So, the axe has had a makeover. She is now a glossy red head. You know, classic axe from like the movies. Not a fireman's axe, not a splitting maul, but still an axe nonetheless. This axe was $8.72 at Lowe's. Yeah, $8.72. Right? She had a couple of dings on the head. Took a file to it, chewed up the edge a bit. Put a slight edge on the blade. Sanded it. You know, removed the gummy factory coating off the handle a bit. Made it more flat, matte, finished. Cleaned it with some acetone. Painted the axe head with the Rust-Oleum 2X flat gray ultra cover. 2 light coats of that. 2 light coats of the Krylon Banner Red high gloss paint, and I made sure that the edge of the blade where you sharpen it didn't get any paint on it. Eventually, if you did that and painted the blade all the way through and you sharpen it, you just have to, you know, remove the paint, sharpen it, and when you split wood like I did last night, it's gonna damage the paint anyway, so I just didn't bother. The $32 Fiskars was a great investment. I had gone to a different hardware store earlier yesterday, and I bought a $42 splitting maul. And then I went to Lowe's because I needed to go to Lowe's for cheap paint, cheap black paint specifically, because they have their gloss Project Source paint at $3 at my local Lowe's. So I figured I'd go look and see what they have around, and sure enough, they had the axes, and for $40 I bought 2, you know, and then I returned the other one back to the other hardware store because I don't need 3 axes. And then I have this extra axe handle for the off chance I might need it in the future. And I got it because it was, and it is, I paid less than $5 for it. So to me, this axe, this beautiful little axe right here, it's worth every red cent of the $9 I spent on it to get it to where it's at. Maybe a little bit more now when you consider I've sanded it, filed it, sharpened it, tested it, primed it, painted it. I've made 5 videos on this axe now, so it's now, to me, this axe is worth a lot of money because it's a classic looking axe. See, it's red with a silvery sharpie bits blade, and it will serve me and my family and our firewood splitting adventures for many years to come, until that handle breaks, and then I'll replace the handle with a, you know, the $5 handle. But if it breaks, no big deal. It's only $10. I have that $30 Fiskars, and that sucker splits wood really well, like a hot knife through butter. When it's, you know, once I got the hang of where the break is and how to you know, track it around. I'm an IT guy. you guys, I've never had a real need for splitting wood before, right? I've only been interested in the videos I've seen on YouTube and on my Facebook Reels. There are people out there splitting wood, and I thought, that's something primal that I think I can learn to do. And I started learning, and then I figured I need to get my own axe because I need to be able to swing it whenever I need to swing it or want to swing it, and get logs to swing on. So I have a call out to my buddy Ed that runs a tree trimming service here in Central Florida, and hopefully he'll have some logs for me to split. He sells bundled logs of firewood. It was a great workout last night. It got me winded after 4 or 5 logs, but I figured the longer I do it, the more in shape I'll become. And, if he needs help splitting logs, I'll bring him my axes, a couple of cases, not beer, but a couple of cases of water, and he and I can go swinging at the logs and split the wood together. Just spend some time. So, thank you for watching Leo Builds It. This is the last of the axe restoration videos that I've made the last couple of days. The next couple of videos will be geared towards the mower rack that I built today and the customization that I'll be using on that mower. Again, thank you for watching Leo Builds It. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We're up to 267 subscribers. Thank you very much for the ones that are subscribed. I'm still amazed that you guys like my stuff. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share it, and send good thoughts my way. Have a good night.